said that.
Now it tells me.
That's a bridge too far.
Yeah.
Why are you using a bridge? So
Because
close?
I can't hold it steady, I'm no good.
Oh,
Can't hold it steady with this either.
I have a problem with that too.
Yay!
Ah!
There you go. Good shot.
The girls are coming from behind.
Get me off that freaking camera! You're cramping my style.
What style's that?
I didn't know you had one. Okay, here comes Stephen. Roar.
Put up a point.
Yeah, add a point.
Okay,
Okay, what have you left me?
has this been cleared?
The other third, yeah.
Oh, so I'm
No,
forward.
no, clear it. You got 0 points.
No, she has points. She
Oh,
has.
it's got,
No, hang on, it's not been handled. You've still got 23, Barry.
Yeah, that's Barry, and I'm next to him, and you're next to me.
You're on the third one in.
Right, so we need to clear them, don't we?
No. We've been just adding the
carrying
points.
on.
Just
I
go, yeah,
saw.
yeah.
Right, okay, that's fine. I didn't realise. I thought we were clearing them each
Oh,
other.
you want to clear it? I'll clear it.
Whoa!
You just get a ball in.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, now's his time to scratch because he has to take it off.
So, Stephen's been hustling us all this time.
I should cook.
Ooh.
Good shot. Come on, Stephen, you've got to screw up.
Put a
What
point
are we
up.
going to put here?
One.
One.
One?